Ciao! Welcome to Maria Teresa's kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make gnudi. Gnudi is a gnocchi, but instead of using potatoes, we are going to use ricotta and spinach. Cook the spinach in boiling water for about 1 minute. Strain it and squeeze as much liquid as you can. Chop the spinach slightly and add it to the ricotta. Add salt, egg, nutmeg, and mix everything together. Add Parmigiano Reggiano and flour. Start shaping the gnudis and place it in a baking pan with parchment paper. With the help of extra flour, you can shape the gnudi easily. Make sure there is enough flour in the pan and around the gnudis. The gnudis are shaped, and now I am going to make a simple tomato sauce that takes about 20 minutes just to infuse flavors of basil and garlic. Bring salted water to a boil in a large pan and cook the gnudis. Cook 3 or 4 at a time. When they float, they are ready. Place it in the serving dish. Now, if you wanna do individual servings, I put some tomato sauce in a ramekin, and then maybe 2 gnudi is good enough. And that looks great. Now we are going to add a little bit more of tomato sauce on the top and Parmigiano Reggiano. The gnudis are done, and if this is one of my favorite dish to make. Let's try. Delicious. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you next time.